Hi Chicago, I'm Joel Savala from Big Marsh Park. Now, there's nothing like going outside and playing on a fresh blanket of snow. But what do you do if there isn't any snow outside? Not to worry, today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own play snow. Now, most of what you'll need, you should be able to find at home. We'll start with one large mixing bowl, a 1 cup measuring container, a bottle of white conditioner. You can do scented or unscented. I prefer scented. And 1 box of cornstarch. Now, if you don't have cornstarch, you can also use baking soda. And now we're ready to get started. I already have 1 cup of cornstarch in my bowl, but I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more cup. Now, generally to get started, I like to use a 2-to-1 ratio of cornstarch to conditioner. So that's 2 cups of cornstarch to the 1 cup of conditioner. And we're about close to 1 cup there. Put the rest in there. And now we're going to do the 1 cup of conditioner. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, now guys, it's totally okay to get a little messy, and to be honest with you, it's half the fun. So once we have our conditioner in there, I'm just going to use my hands and give it a really good mixing. Now, if your snow mix gets a little too soft, just go ahead and add a little bit more cornstarch, and if it gets too kind of flaky and powdery, just add a little bit more conditioner. It's really up to you to get the right consistency. So after a few more seconds of mixing, you can see that our snow is about ready. All that's left to do now is to pop it in the fridge and wait about 30 minutes and just to give it some time to cool. After that, you'll be ready to go and play. And it's that easy. Once your snow has chilled, you're ready to go, and all there's left to do now is play. So once your snow is ready, you can pick some up and make snowballs, or you can sprinkle it like it's snow, you can make a snowman, or you can even make your very own winter wonderland scene. The best part about this, guys, is once you're done, you can just pack it up, put it back in the fridge, and it'll be ready to go another day. I hope you guys enjoy making it. I had a lot of fun. I hope you do too. Thanks, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Chicago Park District's YouTube channel or visit the website at chicagoparkdistrict.com.